I was driving down Highway 67, cruising at 67. You can't make this stuff up. Maybe we catch 6 or 7 bass. So I was throwing a Carolina rig because that's the only thing they bite in this frickin' place. And got myself bass number 1. Don't worry, folks, it was just kind of peeking out a little bit. It's gonna be okay. I was using the bio bait from Bass Pro Shop, and this thing's supposed to disintegrate in the water. I just didn't know it was supposed to happen this quickly. Look at the color difference. With water this clear, you want to use fluorocarbon because they can see you a mile away. And you gotta be stealthy, but believe me, it'll pay off. I didn't catch the 6 or 7 bass, but that's alright. I had a good time.